We have seen many examples like this where the people tree, kind of coming out of this another one. This is the plant, and it came out of that. It took over the plant. Although I think this will survive, but this is very rare, very rare. I am seeing something like this for the first time. You see this, this is a bamboo grass, and it has completely lost its character for which we bought this from Auroville. Very rare. That how, I don't know how it pierced through, or if this has grown around it. You can see that it continues down below. It continues down below. Pretty crazy.